This is what I use to clean my face with and remove the eye boogers. I buy this at Dollar Tree. It's the Bolero Cleansing Coconut and Rose Oil Moisturizing Face Wipes. I really do like it, and it doesn't dry my face out and leaves it feeling moist and smooth. The next thing I'm going to use on my face is something else that I got from Dollar Tree. It's Creme de la Skin Nutrition's hyaluronic acid 1% and vitamin C serum, hydration, radiant, antioxidant. This was $1. I've been using it for several days now. I'm really enjoying it. It is made by a company, developed by a company in New York. The package says, and made in China, but it does cost $1, and I am able to utilize this and enjoy this. Another thing that I've got to use from the Dollar Tree is the Bolero Coconut and Rose Oil. Also, it's moisturizing face serum, and I'm gonna apply this to my face. And I have been using this for a while, and I'm enjoying this and can recommend it for people with dry skin. Okay, this is gonna be a short car vlog because I'm in my car and I'm riding to my mailbox to pick up my mail. I have a United States Postal Service account, and it has informed delivery, so pretty much I know everything, sorry about that, that's already in my mailbox. So I do this every day. I always glance at my mail and put it up on the dash of my car and look before I pull back out onto the road. And this is my wonky video / phone holder that won't tighten tight enough to hold my phone when I'm videoing and I hit a bump, it moves it. Anyway, I'm back here at house, and so that was just a short car vlog, a very short one, and I'll see you in a little bit. Wednesday's wisdom for today is going to be about female hair loss. Speaking of which, I've been losing a massive amount of hair, and if you'll notice, my hair is down today and not pulled back with a rubber band. And I use a coated rubber band always, but I'll leave it back at night during the day. So now I'm trying to just do something for my hair loss, which is not wearing it pulled back with a rubber band today. But I did some research on the internet and found out some other things that are recommended for hair loss. And some of the recommended treatments for minor hair loss is, of course, minoxidil. And minoxidil will improve hair loss. It's an over-the-counter treatment The thing about it is when you stop using it, of course, it'll stop working. Some other recommended shampoos for hair loss was anti-dandruff shampoos like Head and Shoulders and Dove Demacure Scalp, which contains ZPT, which is zinc pyrithazone, and it's spelled Pyrithizone. And that's an ingredient that removes dead skin cells that could be preventing growth. And it says some other things, but it also makes a recommendation about a nutrient-rich diet will help keep your hair healthy. And while supplements won't cause hair growth, they can help your strands grow stronger. The combination of fish protein, vitamin C, zinc, biotin, and niacin in things like Viviscal supplements encourages the body to produce healthier hair strands. Nutrafol is another hair supplement that you can also try. And Olly, OLLY, hair, skin, and nail supplements, which contain biotin, vitamin C, E, and keratin, help you to fight free radicals to prevent damage to hair follicles. And most of all, it recommends lifestyle changes to help slow down hair loss, and it's talking about, once again, eating the right nutrients. It talks about massaging your scalp, and it means that this provides a better environment for hair growth and aids in the penetration of any treatment shampoos that you use. And to let your hair air dry, which I do. And the biggest thing is take time to de-stress, which I'm learning. I'm not very good at it. It also recommends that your doctor can help with hair loss. And it talks about women who take hormone therapy replacement, which I do not. It talks about getting blood work to test for ferritin or iron stored in your blood and vitamin D, which I know I have low vitamin D levels. So maybe I'll consider, if some of my other more conservative measures don't help, taking a vitamin D supplement. The internet also recommends things to cover minor hair loss, and they recommend something you can purchase from Sephora called Rita Hazan Root Concealer, and it's $25. I have not tried that, but that doesn't mean I won't. The things I intend to try for myself right now is just letting my hair out of the rubber band and not keeping it pulled back night and day. And second of all, doing the scalp massage prior to shampooing. And third is to try the vitamin D supplements if the first two measures don't seem to be helping. I need to talk a little bit about what's stressing me out today. What's stressing me out today is that my dog ran away. I didn't know. And had it not been for my son opening up the front door a little bit ago and finding the dog on the front porch, I probably still wouldn't have known because I thought he was upstairs. I went and looked back on our doorbell cameras, and I saw where I went outside to dump some liquid outside that he ran out, and I didn't notice that he had left when I was pouring the stuff out. So another thing that they say helps curb hair loss is to de-stress. So that's something that I need to work on, is the de-stressing. So maybe that's something that you need to figure out too, is how to de-stress. And when I figure that out, I'll let you know. You figure it out, you let me know. I hope you've enjoyed the video I put up for you today. I've enjoyed making it. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I would ask, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. Please remember to be kind to each other, and we love you. Bye.